Welcome to this video. So in this video, let's see how the linked tables what we have created in our last video can be utilized in our analysis. So create a power we would create a pivot out of that power pivot data model and create some try to get some insights out of that particular data. Okay, so you have seen or you might have used Excel pivot, simple pivot, where we import the data and then we try to massage or try to get some kind of views. So if you are aware on that Excel pivot, it only handle single table, means only single data source you can link. Oh, sorry, you can import and then you can create or whatever you want to do, you can just do. The Power Pivot data model gives you the capability where you can load several tables, link it, and then you can pull whatever fields wherever it's used or whichever table it's present. You can link it, you can open that, and you can do massaging of that data or getting the insights out of that data. So let's see what exactly we are trying to say. So let's go to Power Pivot model. Okay, so it's already open. So here under this, so power pivot table, I will create a pivot table. Okay, in a new sheet, let's create and let's say uh, and let's we want to see the history. Okay, or yes, oh, history is result means we can, that's why, sorry. So trend. Okay, so we want to see the trend. So we want to see first that which all product, okay, had the highest number of sales on units sold. Okay, highest number of units sold, so we can say that which product was highly demanded, was in high demand. Okay, so we'll just select on this, come here and ascending, descending. So right now we can see that wristband is something which was in high demand overall. Now let's use some slicing of the data. So right now you could see that we took the units from transaction table, we took the product from product table, which is like again two different tables but linked using the product ID. Correct? I will come here, analyze, slicer. Okay, so active is right now this two, so I don't require from this. I need from all the tables I need to filter. So I need the region. I will click on OK. So these are my regions. Okay, now if I want to see, this is like overall for all these regions, band was highly in demand. I'm interested to know that what was the trend for Canada. So if I click on Canada, oh, in Canada gloves was highly required or was in highest demand. And Southwest, what was, again, band was something. Mexico, watch was something which was highly demanded. So like this, we can add slicers and slice and dice we can do with the data. But the important thing what I want to mention here is that you are using four or three different tables and you are creating a single pivot out of that. Okay, so that is very important. So let's see. I could also include salesperson. Okay, fine. And design, report layout, tabular, and report layout, repeat all item, remove subtotal. Okay, so now I will do on sum of units sold. Fine, sum of units sold. Okay, so now if I collapse, values, collapse entire field. Okay, so now if I click on east, okay, so again okay, clubs, yes. Now if I click on clubs, then I would know that Ron Lacroix is the person who sold the maximum unit of clubs in Canada. Okay, so that is something which is quite useful or handy to check out the data itself before we start doing some analysis or start building some model out of the actual data what we have. So with this concept, let's proceed with some advanced feature in Power Pivot. Thank you for watching this video.